the pro. Zero to pro.
Like that? No cap. This is the original video, and I will show you how to do it step by step. Hit subscribe, like, and open CapCut. Bring your clip to the timeline. But please, for faster grab, follow my yellow mouse pointer, red click, and red circle on any point of emphasis. Click on the clip, be it video or still image, but I am using video here. Then go over to the top right here, click video, then basic, and locate the diamond icons all lined up under transform. Listen and follow this carefully. You have the scale here, the position here, and the rotate here. Now go back to your clip. Place your playhead at the beginning of where you want the zoom to start, then click the transform Add Keyframe. After that, move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to end and add another keyframe. What keyframe simply does is make sure that whatever adjustment or change in position or size you apply will only affect the points you choose, not the entire video. No cap. Now place your playhead at the beginning of the zoom and use scale to adjust until you get the level you want. You may also adjust the position of the image so that it stays in focus. Then go over to the next point for the zoom out by taking the scale back to default and also resetting the position. You can repeat this process for every point you want to zoom in or out. In case you make a mistake and want to reset your video to default, just click the video and hit undo here and you're good. But if you only want to remove a single keyframe, click on the specific diamond icon on the video. Place the playhead there, make sure the diamond icon is highlighted and click it to remove either the scale, the position, the rotate, or even all of them for that spot. And remember, CapCut automatically adds another keyframe for you on any already keyframed video clip whenever you change the scale, position, or rotation. Alright, please like, share, and check out other cool tutorials up here. There's always something for you in all our videos. Thank you.